All right, so we're making it out today. It's been about 2.5 weeks since I've been on the bike, meeting up with Bob. We are gonna make our way up to Daniels Dam and Old Ellicott City. It's gonna be fun to finally get out. One of the reasons why I haven't been on the bobber for a few weeks is, unfortunately, first time ever, I had vertigo. It lasted for about 2.5 days. Also, we're meeting by BWI Airport, but I had it for like 2.5 days, and I am a very hand-eye person and could not keep my balance for about half the time that I had vertigo. It was pretty bad and just kind of stressed out about it, but that's why I didn't get a video up last week, but we were getting out today, so let's jump back on the bikes and see what we can get. Right here. So we have made it to the Patapsco Female Institution. I've been here a long time ago. Looked this up on Google Maps, and also the second picture on there is a drone shot from way over there, which hopefully everything turned out and you guys already saw. But yeah, unfortunately Bob had to split off and head home a little bit early, but also this was kind of my main goal for today's ride, so super psyched about that. Hope the footage turns out. Right down the street there is another photo op that I really want to get with the bobber with how it's currently set up. And you guys have already seen this earlier in the video, but I knew that this was a long time coming, and I'm so bummed that I finally dented my rear fender with my seat hitting it. I had a chip taken out a little while ago, and I just put a little bit of touch-up paint and I adjusted my seat a little bit and was hoping that everything was going to be fine. It's not. Completely bottomed out the bike. Like, could not have hit harder, unfortunately. Didn't feel thunk in the back. I thought I got away. Clearly I did not, but we're gonna make the best of it. I love my bike being as pretty as possible. The frame obviously is number one, but the rear fender has always been something that I really care to have look good over essentially anything else. But the bike gets ridden. Like, it really sucks, but I'm gonna put some touch-up paint on, try to figure out the seat adjustment, maybe just make another hole a little bit further forwards, which will do it. My bike's comfortable as is, but clearly I need to figure something out. And yeah, she gets ridden, so I don't want any garage queen. Let's go see what the photo op is down the street. All right, so what do you guys think of my favorite spot in Old Ellicott City? It's nice, quiet down here. There's only like maybe 2 houses or something that way, but the Institute right down the street and then this spot, just super quiet, super nice, and just peaceful. But highly recommend coming to Old Ellicott City. It's beautiful down here. There's tons of different stuff, a lot of history, and just super nice place to ride around. Roads are nice, fun, twisty, but unfortunately with winter just happening, there's some potholes. Try to find this spot. Let me know down in the comments if you do, or even if you just go to the Institute or just come here in general. I definitely plan on riding up here more this year, as well as may have a change of location coming in the future, obviously with the bus, but I'll tell you guys in the future when that happens. But yeah, maybe have a meetup ride up here, or at least just a meetup. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have liked this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. And yeah, spring is coming.